And tonight, the state attorney general has announced he is launching his own civil rights probe.
I'm invoking my civil rights enforcement authority to investigate any potentially illegal discrimination.
Now, this is interesting because it comes on the heels of the same attorney general saying William Tong, a Stanford Democrat, condemned the comments, but also questioned the practices of Project Veritas. Breaking news, the attorney general of Connecticut has announced an investigation in the wake of the Project Veritas video on Jeremy Boland in Cos Cob Greenwich School. From the press release from the Office of the Attorney General William Tong announced today he has invoked his Civil Rights Enforcement Authority to investigate any potentially illegal discrimination on other actionable misconduct related to a video that appears to contain troubling discriminatory statements that appear to have been made by Greenwich public school officials.
And tonight, the state attorney general has announced he is launching his own civil rights probe.
And most of us saw for the first time a video that appears to contain troubling discriminatory statements that appear to have been made by a Greenwich public school official. Today, as Attorney General, I'm invoking my civil rights enforcement authority to investigate any potentially illegal discrimination or other actionable misconduct related to that video.
Now, this is interesting because it comes on the heels of the same attorney general saying yesterday to the Hartford Courant, William Tong, a Stanford Democrat, condemned the comments, but also questioned the practices of Project Veritas. Yesterday, Tong added again, this is before his statement, quote, "There's something also wrong about this entrapment journalism and gotcha journalism. Journalism should be left to journalists, and law enforcement should be left to law enforcement, to police officers and state attorneys and the Attorney General's office. I think there's something really wrong with vigilante journalism, and I don't think it should be celebrated. There are no rules when somebody engages in Wild West vigilante journalism and tries to entrap somebody," unquote. I've never heard it referred to as Wild West vigilante journalism. But my comment to Mr. Attorney General Tong is, would you rather have Project Veritas not exposed what this man is saying and doing? Would you rather that go unexposed? Why aren't you thanking Project Veritas for exposing it? The press release today goes on. Discrimination, hate, bigotry against any person or any religion or on any basis of age is reprehensible. Recall, the video showed Jeremy Boland saying he wouldn't hire anyone over the age of 30. The video is disturbing, and if teachers, school staff, or applicants for education jobs have been illegally discriminated against for any reason, I will take action. Again, you would not know about this, Mr. Attorney General, but not for Project Veritas. I want to make 2 points absolutely clear. First, I do not play politics with my enforcement authority, and I do not play politics with civil rights investigations. He goes on. Second, we will conduct a thorough investigation and review and analyze all the evidence. We will get to the bottom of this and hold accountable anybody engaged in actionable misconduct. I hope he's referring to the conduct by the assistant principal and not by the journalists who obtain the content. But we've seen this movie before. Again, journalism, this is from the Attorney General, journalism should be left to journalists, implying that we're not journalists not doing journalism. What would you call this, Mr. Attorney General? What would you call what we've done? We're grateful for the Attorney General's investigation. We're grateful for Senator Richard Blumenthal's comments, and stay tuned for more to come.